Welcome! If you're tired of those unexpected notification sounds every time someone invites you to speak on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable the Invited to Speak notification sound on Discord Web using your PC, all based on the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the User Settings menu, take a look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification settings available for your account. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of different sound options under the Sounds section. This is where you can customize what you hear when different actions happen on Discord. Look for the option labeled Invited to Speak. This setting controls the sound that plays when you're invited to speak in a stage channel. To disable it, simply click the toggle switch next to Invited to Speak. Once you turn it off, you won't hear that notification sound anymore when someone invites you to speak. It's that simple. Before you exit, double-check that the toggle is set to off, just to make sure the changes have been applied. You can now close the settings and continue using Discord without those distracting sounds. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly disable the Invited to Speak notification sound on Discord Web for PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for customizing your Discord experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter chat.